Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. F150 LEDs has been kind enough to send me another set of LED bulbs to try out. This time it's going to be for the rear cargo lights and the third brake light up on top. In this video I'll show you how to replace those bulbs, and I'll also do a comparison of the standard halogen bulbs that are currently on this F150 truck compared to F150 LEDs. So stick around. The items you're going to need are your F150 LEDs, and they come packaged really nicely. And I prefer using a cordless drill with a 9/32 bit on the end. The first step you're going to need to do is remove, there's 4 screws. Be very gentle pulling these out. The wire gets tucked up inside. To start this, you're going to want to pull these wires out of these little clips right here. And then you can give your bulb harness a 1/4 turn. And it'll pull right out. Pull the bulb out. Take your F150 LED bulb out of the package. Grab your bulb by the side and simply place it back in the slot. It's going to be a little bit more resistance, so you're going to have to push down from the top until it clicks in all the way. To replace your bulb, there's 2 grooves on each side. Line those up with these. Slide it in and give it a 1/4 turn. And then go ahead and put your wire back in the little clip here. Repeat the process for the other 2 bulbs. When replacing your center bulb, that'll be your third brake light, you'll receive a package like this. It's a single bulb. It'll state third brake on the back. Make sure you replace the correct one. Now to reinstall the third brake light and cargo light assembly, tuck your wires back up inside nicely. Line these 2 pins up with the 2 holes. Press it in slightly. Get one of the screws started. Grab your cordless drill and tighten it up. Now don't over snug these because you can crack the plastic. Now that we got our bulbs installed, we'll test them out, and then I'll do a side-by-side comparison of the before and after. Here's a look inside the box with your standard halogen cargo lights. So you can see it's dimly lit. Here's the cargo lighting with F150 LEDs installed. Oh wow, what a difference that makes. That's impressive. This is really nice compared to the standard halogen lighting that came with the truck. Well, thanks for joining me again today. And as you could see in the video, it was quite simple to install F150 LEDs, and what a difference it makes for your cargo in the back of your bed. If you're trying to load up your box at nighttime or trying to stumble around finding something because your lighting's a little too dim on your cargo lights, I recommend checking out F150 LEDs. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get your F150 LEDs. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.